All right, let's go into the store and see what's inside. All right, you guys, welcome to IKEA. First things first, get a blue basket. It's only 99 cents. Shopping bag. Oh my god, you guys, look at this bedroom set. Wow. Look at this lighting up there. You see this bed? It's beautiful. Oh, I love this lamp right here. Oh wow. This one, set price at $149. It's called Evidal. That's beautiful. I love how the whole setting. No Wi-Fi? What? What am I gonna do with no Wi-Fi? Look how comfortable these are. Oh, look at this beautiful picture frame. Right here, we're in the living room section. Look at all these beautiful couches here. Wow, so colorful. Look at all this beautiful, nice pillow. Oh, I like this pillow right here. This is different. That's really pretty. This one, it's a nice color. It's called Gerard. It's at $13.99. Wow, look at this. So many choices. Oh, I love this color. Look at this couch right here. This one is on sale for $464. Wow, I love the color. It's like a love seat, right? Yeah, that's beautiful. See, I always love white couches, but you know, sometimes it gets a little dirty. I mean, you can always change the sheets and stuff, but I like how this spot where you can just sit out. Look at, it's priced at $5.99. $5.99, that's a pretty good for, this is a beautiful couch. Oh my god, guys, look at this beautiful setting right here. It will make a lovely, lovely living room for me. Oh my god, guys, look at this living room. Just enough space. It's so beautiful. Look. Oh my god, look at this couch. That's beautiful. This one's only at $6.99. Look at $6.99. It's a beautiful sofa. Look at the lamp that comes with it. This lamp right here is at $17.99. Look at all these beautiful tables right here, all these side tables right here. Wow. Oh, I like this one right here. This one is beautiful. This one is at $149. It's called Monster. Oh my god, you guys, look at this table. I love the color of it. Look at the color, it's so nice. And guess what? What is this called? House stuff. It was $99, now it's on sale for only $27.99. No way. Oh, I have to grab this table. Wow. This will make a great, even the side table is great. You can keep stuff on top or at the bottom. Whoa. Hey guys, look at all these chairs. They have some rocking chairs, they have some relaxing chair. I love this one right here. This is called Ronaldo. It's only $249. Look at, this is great for outdoor. Grandma rocking chair. Look at this. I like this one right here too. I think this one is very, very comfortable for outdoor seating right here. It's called Rathvikin and it's only $199. Whoa, that's a good price. I know some people might say, hey, you know, it's the quality is not all that, but I've been shopping at IKEA for years and I never had any issues with them. So this one is nice. I love the color. Look, I love the design. One on the side. It's called Nomira. Nomira. It's only $39.99. Wow. There's so many for you to choose from. Look. And look at this one. This is, whoa. This is so cool. So relaxing. It's like a chair and a lounger. It's called Nat Rabi. It's only $2.99. Isn't that cool? Wow, definitely great for you to kind of relax, watch TV. Alright, for those of you guys don't know me yet, I'm obsessed with outdoor furniture, outdoor dining. Look at this umbrella. The shade, oh my god, that expand really well. This one is called the Hang Umbrella Claro for only $169. Look at the base. Wow. I love the color. It's so big. And look at this set right here. So this beautiful couch, sleepy sofa is called Home Navaya, and it's only $7.99. That's a great deal. I love the color. On one side you can put your foot up and rest, and at nighttime you pull out, it becomes like a queen size bed. Really great idea. I love the sleepy sofas. Different colors, different pillows. Look at you guys. These are the futons right here. I love futons too. You can use it as a bed at nighttime. And look at it. I mean, look at it. It's so reasonable for only $1.99. Only $1.99. You use it as a couch, as a sofa, and at nighttime, turn into a bed. It's a good. I think it's a queen size bed. Look. You know, this size is a little bit smaller, and it's at $129. Oh, look at you guys. Wow. Look at that carpet. Oh, I love this thing right here. Wow. Spinnable too. It has wheels on them. It's called the Lubin for $69. That's a pretty good deal. Wow. Great side table. Fruits up there. Put your drinks up there. And look at this. This is called the wing chair Strandline. It's only $249. Wow. Look at that color. I love anything in gray. You know, the shelves right here. You can all these hanging shelves. You can decorate with a lot of stuff with this kind of shelves right here. And guess what? It's only $14.99. Birch shelf for $14.99. Oh wow. Alright, you guys, look at this thing. This is so cool. It's called the Vivaya. It's there. An iPad holder. And it's only $12.99. Tablet stand. Vivaya, $12.99. Oh, and look at this. Oh, the jars holder. You know, I'm obsessed with like wooden stuff, and I think it's perfect. So candies in here, or even cereals. I think that's a perfect jars right there. This is for all the kitchen lover right here. You have knives and forks and plates and everything you need for a kitchen. And then right here we go into the dining area. You have dining tables, dining chairs, kitchenette. Wow, so many different colors, different sizes, different design to choose from. Wow. Alright, for those of you guys don't know me yet, I'm obsessed with outdoor furniture, outdoor dining. Look at this umbrella. The shade, oh my god, that expand really well. This one is called the Hang Umbrella Claro for only $169. Look at the base. Wow. I love the color. It's so big. And look at this set right here. Alright, you guys, if you don't know me yet, I'm obsessed with outdoor furnitures. Oh my god, I can't tell you enough. Look at this set right here. Fits 4 people with a table and this really nice big umbrellas right here. This umbrella is called the Seglaro and it's only for $169. I love it. Wow. Oh, look, a hammock. You can't go wrong with a hammock. Whoa, this is nice. I love, well, orange is nice too, you know. Oh, look at this, you guys. This is so pretty. Look. Alright, you guys, these are the dining tables area. So we have the high stool tables and then we have the lower kinds. What do you guys prefer? Me, I feel like I like the higher table. Look at this one. It's called the bar table stencil for $139. I love black tables and chairs. I think they're perfect. Easy to clean. Like nice spot for you to eat for breakfast. Alright, you guys, you have to check out this. Oh my god, look. Outdoor furniture. Wow. Look. This is a place for your pillows. You're not using them. It's a 5-seat sectional. It's only $395. It was $575. Wow. Look, you guys. Oh, looks so comfortable. Oh my god. For $395, you can't top that price. Look at this bedroom setting, you guys. Wow, I love it. I like how they have the table that the kids can do their homework, or you can do your, you know, work from home. And then look at this bedding. This bed is only at $324. Oh, I love how they look. Wow. Hey, this place has Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm happy now. Did you like the whole setting? And here we are. We at the bedroom area. I love bedroom area. Look, you guys. There's so many different types of beds you can choose from. Different frames. Okay, I love this kind of bed right here. You have the way you have the size that you can pull out and extra look storage. I love extra storage. You can keep the clothes in here, keep the extra blankets or pillow in case you have guests over. And this bed is called the Mom. Green gray and it's only $274. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna test out some of these beds for you, okay? And let you know how comfortable they are. It's so comfortable. It's actually very, very comfortable. I like this one the most right here. Okay, you guys, this is a beautiful setting. Oh my god, look. Especially you have like a beach home with all white. Wow. And I love the clear chair. It's called Tobias, and it's $79. Isn't that cool, yes? And look at this. Oh wow, I love the setting. This bed frame is called Mom again. It's only $199. Okay, you guys, this is a beautiful setting. Oh my god, look. Especially you have like a beach home with all white. Wow. And I love the clear chair. It's called Tobias, and it's $79. Isn't that cool, you guys? And look at this. Oh wow. I love the setting. This bed frame is called Mom again. It's only $199. Oh my god, you guys, look at all these beds right here. I mean, the bedroom section, look at all this beautiful. They look so comfortable. Wow. I need to get some of this for my house. Very comfortable. You guys look at this kids section right here. Wow. Oh, look at the leaves up there. Oh, when you have a little baby. This is called the Lova. It's only $14.99. Look how they can sleep on top. And then they have a little play section at the bottom. Alright, you guys, I'm always want something like this for my house. This is called the Frost Fast frame. It's only $45.99. Look at, wow, storage organizer. I love it. This one is orange. This one is more of a sideways. Look at that color. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cute. What is this? It's called the Gillivips. Some sort of basket. Oh, maybe you can keep sticky rice in there. That's amazing. Oh my god, you guys, look at all this beautiful design. Look at all these lamps right here. Isn't that beautiful? That is so different. What is this called? Joe Penna lighting series. It starts at $14.99 all the way up to $14.99 all the way up to $29.99. Wow. Oh, those are beautiful. Look at it. Oh, I love them. Wow. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna get? Are you guys, you need some greens for your house? Look at all these trees right here, all these plants. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of the IKEA tour. We spent about an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes. We're at the checkout counter now, waiting to be checked out. The line's not too long, so alright, catch you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, TM Destinations.